Hello, viewers. Is Balak 13 again with another unboxing. This time, unboxing a package from fragrancebuy.ca. It's a Canadian fragrance website. Just has the domain address suggests. I always say this is the best packaging I've ever received from fragrance company. The packaging is like it's great. It's almost like it's already gift wrapped. You know. Let me open it up. So that's the first thing you see. Their social media handles. You know. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest. And there's a nice, you know, message here from the company. I like that. It's classy. And there's another message there again. Onto the fragrances itself. They did a good job of packaging it. I got La Nuit De L'Homme from YSL La Nuit. This is a superstar. I've scented this before, first time, and I was in New York with my sister at that Century 21 store in Times Square. This I've never scented before. I always heard about it. I mean, I've wanted this for like 2 years. So this is 2 years in the making, and I only could get the 50 milliliter. I'm good with the 50 ml. I mean, I'm expecting this to be great. I'm expecting this to be real great. So let me set that aside too. And I got this. This is the second time I'm getting my hands on Versace Eros. Second time. The first one, the owner is apparently my brother now, but this is a terrific fragrance, terrific scent. Alright, but of all, this is gonna be weird. Of all them, I was, most, anxious to receive this one. Just want to know it's scented. Like, I've never seen it in stores anywhere to even get my nose on it. So, I'm expecting great things. But this, I think, is gonna be the most important one to me and a staple in my collection. La Nuit De L'Homme. La Nuit De L'Homme. Yeah, it's a superstar, and so is Versace Eros. So is Versace Eros. Versace Eros. You know what? Let me go right ahead and actually open these packages. Sorry, I'm trying to open it with one hand. I know that this is gonna look in the form of a seashell on this seashore. So that's one off. I feel like a kid opening this box, because I'm only using one hand. very elaborate Bvlgari. I'm having fun to get it out. Man, but at least it's well packaged. It's well packaged. Wow. Wow, I just did a sniff of this. This is wow. 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 Now I see what the hype was all about. Wow. Aqua Amara. Yes. Aqua Amara from Bvlgari. Wow. That's great, yo. This is Bvlgari packaging. I'm a fan of Bvlgari colognes. Like, I always been. Like, I've had the Bvlgari Note or Not or Notte, NOTTE, and that got that in 2011. I got gift. Loved it. Absolutely loved it. It has this nice. At first, I didn't like it though. Fragrance grow on you. It has this nice woodsy powdery accord, and I usually like powdery accords, but the dry down is what kicks ass. I've had Bvlgari BLV. That's another one in a blue bottle, and I've had Bvlgari. What's it called? Bvlgari, just regular Bvlgari Porom. That was great. That's a great woodsy scent. Love that one too. I've scented this before. Like, I know what to expect of this. This kicks ass. Ask anybody who's into fragrance, but that's it for the unboxing though. And of course Versace Eros here. This is the arrogant fellow of the fragrance game. I would say it and Jean Paul Gaultier Ultraman. It's just potent, it's just strong. Just like it would bust in through your door and say, I'm here. It's a fragrance like that. But that's it. It's another fragrance, review. I'll wear them. As I wear them, I'll update you guys on the reaction of persons in the public and persons who have been around. You know what I mean? But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Peace, blessings. All right.